Okay guys, this is an old Desmos activity and I just wanted to kind of go through it with you for a second because it's making me a little crazy when you're doing your answers. If you read the Google Slides, you should be fine, but some of you are still struggling a little bit. So if you're trying to type in the answer to this, -2 to the 4th power is 16. Then t to the 3rd raised to the 4th will be t to the 12th. How you do that is use the caret, which is above the 6. So I'm hitting shift, and then I'm hitting the caret, and then I'm hitting 12. Okay? So that's all you need to do. And then you can hit share with the class. You can see other people had answers. For this one, this is going to be a fraction. We're going to reduce -2/8 is the same as -1/4. And the m's are going to stay at the bottom. So it's going to be negative, whoops, I'm sorry, got to click in here. It's going to be -1. And then there are no m's in the numerator, so I just hit this backslash and it makes it a fraction. And then it's 4 and m to the 12th, I'm using shift 6, and that's that caret, which will put the exponent in there, and then it's 12. Okay? If I needed to put another letter in there, I would just right arrow to get out of the exponent, and then if there was like an n or something, I could put whatever I wanted in there. All right, so to get the exponent, if you're working on a computer, it is the shift 6, which is the caret top, and to get a fraction, you're just doing the backslash. There are directions, like a keyboard comes up if you're using your phone, and you can see there are exponents on that keypad that comes up on the bottom left. Okay, sound good? Thank you.